Hey guys, it's been a second since I've had a little one-on-one conversation. No car modifying, no racing, no nothing, just talking to the camera. And I think I need to. I wanted to take some time to talk about 2024 and what I really want to plan for the channel and for myself. So, fun fact, I actually moved. This is my new office. I've actually never had an office to myself before, so this is really cool. I've got all my camera equipment here, all of my many batteries, got my gimbal. Here I have my desk. It's really cool. Nice little standing desk. Got my gaming and editing computer right there. Over here I've got my sim rig. I actually want to do something with this that I'm going to explain later in the video. Overall, this is a really sweet space, and I'm very happy to have this to myself. So we're now in the garage. This is a new space to me. It's a new space to you guys. I've only had it in one of the videos so far. Looks a lot different than when we first moved in, and still is going to change a lot. This Beetle is actually my girlfriend's car. I lost the battle and she gets a parking spot in the garage. That's okay though. It's actually a really nice Beetle. Overall, the garage is in pretty good condition. It has windows, which is really interesting. It's also good because there's only one light bulb in here right now and it's very dim in here. That's going to change. I have all of my tools right here. I got it all set up. They're all organized. Very nice. I've got a little top-down shot. This is pretty cool. Basically, I have a light here and it's set up so that whenever I want to film something and have, kind of a really clean view, it's always there, ready to go. The only one thing that I really don't like about this garage is this concrete step. This basically takes away a good 4 feet of usable room in the garage. So actually jacking up my car is kind of not really going to be very easy anymore because of this slab. So I actually convinced my dad to let me borrow his quick jacks for a little bit. I'm going to be doing a build series on this garage. It's going to be very budget minded, obviously. Really, I just need to paint it, get some lights, fix up a couple things. I need to get some more outlets because there's actually only one electrical outlet in the entire garage. That's not great. It's crazy. I'm not used to actually seeing the sun right now. It's still winter in Michigan, but we're blessed with a 50-degree day, which is amazing, and there's actual sun. My skin is like soaking it up. So again, this video, I really wanted to talk about 2024 and kind of set the mood on what I really want to focus on and do for the channel. I think the elephant in the room is the 370Z. That is obviously going to be a big focus for the channel. Obviously, I miss the Civic. It sold last week, kind of sad. It's actually living its life out in Arizona now, so no more Michigan salt. It's not gonna rust. And yeah, I'm definitely going to miss that car, and more importantly, I'm going to miss making videos with the car because, that's a big part of why I really like that car. It was just fun modifying it and racing it and making videos on it. But I'm gonna have an entirely new project to do that with. And to be completely honest, I'm a lot more passionate about my 370Z than I am the Civic. This car, to me, this is a purebred sports car. Whether it's actually a good sports car or not, I don't know. We're gonna find out. So the 370Z is going to be a big focus for 2024. The Elantra N, my brother's Elantra N, is going to be in the videos, not to the same extent that the last couple of years have been. Will is done modifying it for the most part. There's little things here and there. Not a lot of them warrant these big videos or anything like that. But what I really want to film are the racing events. I genuinely enjoy filming those. It allows me to kind of flex my creativity and film someone else for once. I enjoy filming those. We're going to do videos on, what is he doing? I think he's doing Pit Race, Grid Life Midwest, not the festival, but I think the Rev Up event that we did last year. The garage is also going to be a nice little build series. It's not going to be anything crazy, like I said. Quick little, maybe a 3-part build series. And that's just going to be a little fun thing to do once it's warmed up and I can paint and not have it literally freeze. That's the issue. I can't paint it because it's literally going to freeze in 2 days. It's going to be 30 again. And I also want to do some live streams. I have a sim racing setup that I really haven't used for YouTube yet. And I would like to kind of connect with you guys like one-on-one and actually like have a conversation. That would be kind of cool. It's not the same through like Instagram, you know, messages or anything like that. I would love to have like a live chat. I think it would be a lot of fun to do a live stream with my brother. We could race on iRacing or Assetto Corsa and just have a good time doing that. So that's going to be a very small part, but I definitely do want to do that. Another thing that I want to talk about is where I want to take the channel in the future. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure yet. I don't think I want to be necessarily a modifying channel. I enjoy that. I don't know if I would be happy long-term with that. I think there's already some cracks forming in my mental state, thinking about like, oh man, I gotta drop $1,000 on exhaust just to make a video. I don't think that that's smart long-term. It's cool if you're like a giant YouTuber, but I'm not, and I can't really plan like that so far. When I graduated college, I actually moved to Illinois to work for HP Tuners. I ended up doing automotive photography and videography, and that is a really big passion of mine. I love filming and photographing cars, any car, and I would love to do more with that. I would love to film videos on other people's cars, get some really good photo shoots, some good video shoots, and also reviews. I find that I really just enjoy talking to owners and their cars and just kind of experiencing new things. That's really fun to me. I'm not saying that I'm going to just stop modifying. I'm always going to be modifying and racing cars no matter what. That's a given. But I want to start incorporating some other elements into the channel to kind of spruce it up a little bit. And I'm hoping that makes sense. Again, I'm not just gonna like stop modifying or racing. I'm not. But I gotta make some changes to make myself happy with my content. And also, I just think it's good for you guys. I mean, I don't know. I enjoy variety on YouTube, me personally. So if you're in the Metro Detroit area and you want to meet up for a video or a photo shoot, just let me know. Follow me on Instagram. You can see a bunch of my photos, a bunch of my videos. I'm gonna start incorporating a lot more like actual well-shot stuff into my Instagram rather than just like memes and dumb stuff. I'll have fun doing that. But yeah, that's just a good quick little update for 2024. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts because realistically, that's why I'm out here holding a camera right now. It's for you guys.